lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and super well today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for clicking on this video. As you can tell from the title of this video, this is a monthly Cutcrease collab with the beautiful Fab 10 ladies here on YouTube. All of their video links will be down below for you guys. If you want to go over and check them out, just say hello, give them some support. That will be absolutely wonderful. And if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, keep watching. Everything that I use on my face is going to be down below, just in case if you're interested in getting something. That would be wonderful. And hope you guys enjoy this video today. Thank you for watching. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles. Okay, my lovelies, the cut crease is finished. So let me finish my face off camera and I'm going to pop back in 1 second.